Planar joints. A planar joint is used to connect two planes of faces of two components. So the components can slide or rotate on that plane with two translations and one rotational degree of freedom. So here I have a little disc out here and I got a little boss plate down here. I'm going to go up to joint. I'm going to change this to the type to planar. I'm going to select my little disc out here and I'm going to pick it by the bottom. So I'm going to come over here and pick it by the bottom center there, and I'm going to pick the second connect. The second connect I'm going to pick on the top side, and it's going to come over, park it in place, and the animate, it ran the animation. I can come over here and run that again. You can see how that slides across the surface, and it can also rotate. So the planar joint is used to connect two faces of two components, and it will slide or rotate on that plane, so it'll have two translations and one rotational degree of freedom.